How to monetize YouTube Shorts. When you open your YouTube Studio, you will see a notification in red letters. You must do this, otherwise YouTube will remove your channel monetization. After clicking on review and accept, it will open in a new tab. This is step 1 called base terms. Just click on the reviews, scroll to the end, check this box and click on accept. Now step 1 has been accepted and we have to do the same with step 2. After completion of both steps, just submit. Now click on to turn on. Click on turn on, come down to the end and check the box and click on accept. Now your channel is eligible to earn money with YouTube short videos too. These are the long form videos called watch page ads. Let's see in the overview. Now you can earn dollars from long videos, short videos and also supers. Even you can earn with memberships and shopping according to the content of your channel. Hit like this video and subscribe for more.